So today is maintenance day. It's rather chilly. I might get out later, but I don't know. I first need to do a few minor upgrades that I've been wanting to do. So bear with me and I'll show you what I'm doing. Now's the big test, because she's not been started in a little while. So what are we doing today, you ask? So I'm not a huge fan of these red bolts, so I shall definitely be changing those over. Let's just flip this around because there's a little bit of a scratch on the camera. So I've changed the caliper bolts. I haven't changed the mount bolts yet, they're on order. All of these pinky ones are coming off. The pinch bolts on the forks are coming off, and I will be renovating the forks at some point. I've got new mirror bolts as well, so they will be getting swapped out. I've already changed the seat bolts to stainless steel, which I think look nicer. So yeah, let's get cracking. First step is the pinch bolts. I think you'll agree, these look slightly nicer. I will torque them up. I'm just getting these off. Do 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 do. That looks a bit better, doesn't it? Nice. Still a couple that I couldn't get out, but definitely looks better than it did.